The words of God. God does not use human speech. The mouth, the tongue, and the vocal cords belong to creation. God is above all these human faculties. Divine communication is not through words or scripts, but through signs, frequencies, and vibrations. Not heard by external ears, but felt, experienced, and revealed upon the sensing heart. To confine the ever-living message of God to words, books, stone tablets, leaves, or pages is an act of limitation. The presence of God is everywhere. His message is not bound by physical forms. Surah 2, verse 115. Only those with conscious vision can grasp its essence. Surah 6, verses 103 to 104. God's language is universal. God does not favor any particular language. Aramaic, Classical Arabic, Biblical Hebrew, Sanskrit, and Classical Chinese were the languages of specific peoples at specific times. But God's language is beyond all human tongues. God is above genders and linguistic boundaries, yet we, as human beings, use language to describe the divine, an infinite energy that cannot be confined to our five senses alone. Divine revelation, inspiration, and ilm laduni. In the Quranic sense, God's communication has always been through inspiration, wahi, revealed upon thinking individuals in their own language or in a universally understood form. Surah 18, verse 65, Surah 20, verse 99. This direct inner knowledge is called ilm laduni, wisdom granted by God without the need for books, intermediaries, or external references. This knowledge is not bound by texts. It flows directly into the heart of those whom God chooses. It is a connection beyond words, beyond written scripture, revealing truths to those who reflect deeply. Surah 3, verse 8, Surah 3, verse 38, Surah 27, verse 7. Language and the understanding of divine signs. God's words are not language-based but manifest as signs, ayats, insights granted to those who seek truth. Inspired individuals interpret these divine insights into human languages so others may understand. However, words alone cannot capture divine meaning. Context is the key. The nature of Quranic Arabic. The Quran was revealed in Old Arabic, a root word language, where each word holds layers of meaning. Modern standard Arabic dictionaries are not sufficient to understand the depth of its vocabulary. To truly grasp the message, one must return to the original structure and linguistic roots of the time. Without this, the true meaning is lost. Theophany, symbolic language in Scripture. All ancient scriptures, including the Quran, are written in figurative and symbolic language, a style known as theophany. They personify deeper truths using metaphors and allegories to awaken the human consciousness. To understand them, one must not rely solely on literal words, but must seek their inner, hidden meaning, the essence behind the text. Silence, the language of God. God does not speak in words. Silence is His language. The divine message is whispered into the hearts of the inspired. Those who receive it translate this silence into speech, bringing light to their communities. To understand the words of God, we must look beyond language and open ourselves to the higher reality. The essence beyond form, the meaning beyond words. This interpretation is brought to you by Ahle Aqal. Please like, share, and follow our channel. For more English blogs, visit www.ahleaqal.com. Also, check out our YouTube channel, Ahle Aqal.